We're in Bayfield, Wisconsin. Saw on the Bayfield sign as we were coming in, it said 1856. So this town has been here for a little bit. You can see there's Lake Superior out there. This is like the main little downtown area, and Highway 13 runs right through it. So if you're driving that loop around the northern part of Wisconsin, you're gonna drive right through here. Some old buildings. That one over there says 1892. Some little shops, restaurants, bars, lounges, coffee shop, candy stores over there. They're not open. Bookstore. Something smells yummy. You smell some foods cooking up somewhere. Malts. I love malts. There's a lot of businesses closed Sunday and Monday here. Like in this whole area. Sunday and Monday. So there's the Apostle Island cruises. Now, if you see that line of people over there, they're waiting to take the cruise that goes around like the sea caves and around the islands and stuff. And we looked it up and was kind of thinking about doing it, and the tickets were sold out. So those people are all waiting for that cruise, which doesn't start for another little over an hour. That's a lot of people on that one little boat, if you ask me. Don't you think? That's not a big boat. There's the ferry. So you can ferry your vehicle over to wherever the island is. I don't even know where the island is. I'm assuming out there somewhere. That's pretty.
You can see that house right
A lot of houses up there that's got really good views.